HN Craft.
Hello friends, welcome back to HN Crafts. In today's video, I made these beautiful cards which will impress you. And they are with good card decorators as well. This is what I made in my previous video. If you also want to make it, go to my channel and watch that video. And I also give you 5 seconds free to subscribe my channel. So let's move on to our second card, which is also the same. You can see, wow, they both are very good. So let's move on to how to make them.
You will be wondering, I didn't tell you how to make this card decorator, but you can view my previous video to make it.
Your craft is ready. In today's video I made this beautiful card, and you can even give it a little bow as I did with this card, but it looks better without a bow. So now I will tell you what I wrote inside it. Wow, you can look, it looks so amazing. It's kind of a pop-up card. You can see it looks very good, and the best thing about it is this. I love you. Wow, this is such a good card decorator. As you will be wondering, I didn't told you how to make this, but you can easily know how to make this in my previous video. you should go to my channel and watch that video. So as guys, if you only wrote inside your card, then it will look very boring. You give card to a person to make him happy, not to make him bored. So to give a card a good look, you should have a card decorator inside it, as I have, which makes it more good. On the other parts I wrote, may God bless you, congratulations, and live long life. You can give these cards on birthdays or on any other occasion, on weddings as well, or on any other day. So you can see this one. In this one, I attached a bow and gave a different decoration. You can see I love you. Wow, this one also looks so cool, guys. So if you like my videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Bye bye.